Welcome everyone. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today we're going to make a holiday candy garland. Part of our garland is going to be wrapped candies, like in a decorated wrap. And to achieve this, I actually found that these little preformed quarter coin wrappers worked really well. If you don't have these at home, you can always fabricate something very similar out of paper and tape. I made a little pattern because we're going to decorate around here with self-adhesive foam sheets. So my first step is to take this wrapper, and I want to bend the edge in so that it will be a little less wide than this little pattern piece. If you make your own form, you can make your own pattern piece just by measuring and experimenting with how long. Now I want to make sure that that's all tucked in because I don't want it to show. So I'm going to take my pattern piece and I'm going to put it on the back side of a piece of self-adhesive foam. It's sticky foam. It's got this backing you peel off, so you peel and stick. And I'm just going to trace around my little pattern and cut that out. I'll bend this down just a little bit more around the edge here. Now I'm going to remove one side of the wrapper, the adhesive backing, and then I'm going to kind of roll this on like so. And hopefully when we're done, it will line up. Pretty well. This foam paper will stretch ever so slightly if you work with it. We want to get that lined up the best we can right there on that seam. And then you can take your scissors and you go ahead and can trim anything that doesn't look that looks pretty good. Next, we're going to cut some strips of self-adhesive sticky foam and opposing colors. So this will be, I'm going to do green and blue. And I'm just going to take my ruler and I'm going to cut a strip the length of this long side of blue, and then I'll do the same with the green. And then I'm just going to press this on as a little decoration. And this, we're going to pretend when we're done that this is has candy in it. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to wrap around. Okay, and I don't like the way I spaced that, so it's going to be easy just to redo that a little bit. There we go, and then I'm going to add the green. When we get to the end, I'm just going to trim the ends like so. And then I think I am going to trim this back just ever so slightly. The next step is we're going to take this self-sealing bag. It's got a strip of adhesive on the top here. And I'm going to cut both sides. You can open it up like this, but I'm going to cut the edges off of both sides. Next, I'm going to open the bag up like so, and I want the adhesive side to be on the top. So I want to test that and make sure that it is. Then I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to measure down about, I found that about 8.5 inches down from the center of the adhesive strip is a good length for me to cut. So that's approximately right here. Cut across. Then I'm going to take my candy wrapper and I'm going to line it up with this bottom edge just beyond the seam here, and I'm going to roll it until I get to the adhesive strip, and then I'm going to pull the backing off the adhesive strip. Clingy. And I'm just going to keep rolling right over that. And that little self-adhesive strip will hold that in place. Next, we're going to start stringing our garland. I'm going to use red floss and a big eye beading needle. These come in very handy for lots of different projects. And I'm just going to leave a nice big long tail so we can have a hanging loop on the beginning and the end. And I'm just going to start stringing things on. First, I'm going to string on 14 of these little flocked beads in different colors. And I have little containers and I've got, 14 beads measured out in each little cup. So I don't have to count. So we'll string these on just in random order. Then I'm going to string on one of these cute little gold jingle bells. And then 14 more of the beads. Next, I'm going to slide on one of the wrapped candy packs here. And I'm going to drop my beading needle and floss down through the middle. And I'll be able to adjust this later if I need it to be longer or shorter. And then I've cut a bunch of 12-inch lengths of red and white floss. And we're going to tie off the wrappers on both sides. So I'll give them a little twist. I find it helpful to kind of hold on to that twisted floss till because I want that to be in the middle. Then I'm going to form a little bow. Try and make that bow even. And then I'm going to trim the tails just about even with the plastic wrap there. Then I'll do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm just going to repeat this. Keep stringing on beads, jingle bell, and another candy wrapper. Ta-da! And there is your colorful candy garland. You can see behind me, I made one earlier, and that one has 7 wrappers of candy on it. So I made that one super long. You can decorate over a doorway, above a window, on your Christmas tree, on your front door. It's a lot of things you can decorate this with. Thank you for joining us today. If you make your own candy garland, we would love to see it. You can share it with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Till next time, happy holidays, everyone. See you soon. Bye.